Hi guys, super yummy goodness na lang ba ang hanap nyo? Yan!
Ako po si Anne.
Ako naman si Giselle.
Kami po yung lari na The Crunch, Boni, Mandaluyong. Located kami dito sa 66 Lions Road. Corner po siya ng Boni, Mandaluyong. The only branch ng The Crunch dito sa Mandaluyong. So we are open from Mondays to Saturdays, 11:30 to 8:30 p.m.
So last year, tinry namin yung The Crunch. Well, actually, I'm from Las Piñas talaga. And we decided to start this business. Alam namin na magiging patok talaga siya sa buong masa. Start kami this January 2024 na. Today yung grand opening namin talaga. Punta kayo dito sa branch namin. Dito lang yan sa The Crunch, Boni, Mandaluyong. Malapit kami 5 minutes away from MRT.
Para ma-experience nyo ang boneless fried chicken with different flavors.
Dito sa The Crunch, what you go front to pay for more fun!
Ang saya ng grand opening ng The Crunch. Meron pang pa-premium galing kay ICT guys. Kaya visit nyo na sila guys. Ano pang hinintay nyo? Tara na, let's go! Yeah, thanks for watching guys. For more super yummy goodness, like and subscribe. Abangan ang next video natin guys.